Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I'm going to unbox you a budget-friendly 4K video quality dash cam with built-in GPS capability as you can see here. Now this unit is sent to me by A14. All I need to do is to provide an unbiased video product review and you decide what to do about it. Whether you want to buy it or not is your choice, but I test it out for you. First of all, SD card. You need to buy an SD card. It's not provided. So make sure your SD card that you buy later, it's meant for dash cam, meaning it works under high temperature condition. And I get a 128 gigabyte. So 128 gigabyte is what this dash cam supports. So I will get 13.6 hours of continuous video recording. So I think it's more than enough for me. Okay, so you download the apps, you can choose between 4K, this is a 4K video quality under broad daylight. Of course, you want to have longer recording time, probably to reduce it to maybe QHD or Fine HD. Yeah, the choice is yours, but I choose 4K so that I know I get at least 13.6 hours of continuous reading. You can see the wording from the signboard, you can see quite clearly under broad daylight 4K video quality. This is how it looks like. So you tell me in the comment down there, is it good or not? Next, it also supports voice command, so that you can actually ask the dash cam to take a picture or start recording whenever you need. You do without pressing any button. So this is an A14 model. You can go to the website and see it for yourself. How much does it cost? Based on what I see, it's quite budget friendly, especially when my country has a very weak currency exchange rate. So Arpha is the best 4K video quality that I will recommend for certain. So this side is it has a minimalist built feature. This side is actually a SD card and USB-C power supply, okay, for the unit to work. Then the SD card sold separately, slot it in based on this picture. It fits only one side, so make sure you don't force it into it. If it does not fit one side, you're going to switch the other side. This is how you should install SD card. A big finger, you use the sponger provided. This side is the camera that you can tilt up and down, and then remember to remove this protective sheet. Okay, the camera lens element is actually made by glass. At least it will last for 3 years without deforming. And then there are video dash cam sold out there that they do not use glass element. So therefore the glass actually degrade over the years and the video quality degrade over the years. So this is not happening. At least Dome made a good video. Their lenses is good. So you can see from a video, after 3 years later, my video quality get from Dome is still good, right? So you can ask me again 3 years later if the video quality is good. Maybe I can make a follow-up video 3 years in the vehicle and then working continuously. Do I still get a clear image or not? Power supply, yes, if you have Android CarPlay, you can actually get power from Android CarPlay to power this dash cam. It works. I'll test out for you. As long as you have a USB-C cable long enough, like 2.5 meter, to connect to your Android CarPlay power supply. And then when you install your dash cam, make sure the protective film does not block the camera. So there's a guideline here for you to roughly see where you should install it. I will choose the rear mirror as my center line location. So that's where I'm going to stick my protective sheet, and then it allows me to install the camera right in the middle of the screen, of my windscreen. To start with, you need the Dome. Go to Dome Play Store or Apple Store, Dome, download it, skip the installation, skip the login, and you can connect it. Now the specification, I benchmark it to with iPhone 11, aperture size 26mm, f1.8 at budget-friendly price tag. Here you go. This is how it looks like. Video quality, 4K at no street light condition, rely on only headlamp, is fantastic. It has an indicator. Red blinking light means it's recording, yellow means emergency video recording. To hide the cable around the A pillar, and underneath the roof panel, underneath the air pillow. Done. By using the spudger provided, you can also hide the remaining wire around behind the rubber seal, door seal, by using the spudger provided. The installation is really easy. You can do it yourself, or you send it to the shop, install it for you. Quite easily done. And then I will through the console, so I mean the center console, to install the cable. The cable provided is long enough for this purpose. There you go. The light is on. And then remember to change the time zone to your location, otherwise the time is always wrong. It has a built-in capacitive battery, so you do not need to worry about changing the battery after 2 years of usage because it will spoil. For GPS locator, you need to install this app into your laptop, and you can download this app from within their within their link, website. I will provide in the description, so that you can see where this video is actually being taken. You take a screenshot later to submit it to any authority. I hope you do not need to use this feature, but this feature is available. How to get this data from, the file from? You need to buy this SD card reader. It's sold separately. It's not provided. At least for my unit, it does not have SD card reader. So that's all. Simple minimalist display, minimalist design, and with exceptionally good video quality. You can read the wording on the signboard clearly in no street light condition, relying on only my headlamp. You let me know in the comment, how many stars would you give? Even if you're not buying, if you're watching this video first time from me, this is a 4K video quality dash cam. You can see the lighting from LED up there just now. How many stars would you rate? 5 stars being highest, 1 star being lowest. After watching this video quality, how many stars would you give? You can see over the left hand side, actually a lake. You can see the reflection of the building from the lake. How many stars? Tell me in the comment down there. Whether you're buying or not, it's another story, but at least a sincere, truthful review of yours after watching my video. There's no processing at all. I didn't enhance the color after recording. This is a true output from within the dash cam. And this is the video quality you are getting. 4K at night without street lamp, with multiple light source from far away. How many stars would you rate? That's all from me. Thank you.